Hey, so it's the end of Tuesday and I am tired. I admit I am very tired. Last week I was in Chicago attending the AWS Summit. It was a blast. I hate driving in the city of Chicago, but it was a lot of fun. And I was a little worn out. And this past weekend I was fighting a migraine that just kind of really knocked me on my butt. And I was really worried because I had some more studying that I was wanting to do in preparation for the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification, the exam that I took yesterday. So what I'm going to describe is what Hocking College and myself have here at in regards to AWS. AWS is Amazon Web Services, which is Amazon's cloud computing program. Services rather. And so what we have here at Hocking College are two different certifications right at this moment. We have the Cloud Ambassador, and that is, it says that myself is an AWS Educate Cloud Ambassador. That means I'm a faculty ambassador with AWS Educate. AWS Educate is the platform that AWS is using to help teach the cloud services, all the lots and lots of different cloud services that are out there, and they're looking to get it actually into the K through 12 and also to the college scene. So when I first heard about this, I think there were only 200 cloud ambassadors that were selected, and less than half of them were in the United States. Those numbers may have changed, since last month, but that was pretty neat, such a select few, and that, myself and Hocking College is one of that select few. So that is the education portion of AWS and what it consists of. The other thing which was the exam that I took yesterday and passed. So relieved to see that I passed that, because like I said, I had a horrible migraine. It was not good, and I was really stressing out about this. And when I saw that congratulations after I completed the exam, I was like, you have no idea how relieved I was. But it was great. I passed, and you can see my certificate right there, AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. It expires in 2022. And that is basically the first step of AWS certification. I have here, take to my wall, the certifications that are available with AWS. So you can see the one highlighted was Cloud Practitioner. That's done. So what I need to do next is to figure out which of the second tier that I want to pursue. And one of the reasons that I'm pursuing this second tier is, for one, that I can teach it better. You're a better instructor when you're more familiar with your own certifications. But also is because AWS also has something called AWS Academy. And we have a meeting, I think, scheduled sometime next week with AWS Academy to talk about, how, if Hocking College is meeting the requirements, if we can become an AWS Academy. Right now, we're an AWS Educate partner, not an AWS Academy. But this is also brand new that AWS is doing. So, they're still doing it. They're still putting stuff out there. And by golly, I'm just trying to snatch it all up. So I just wanted to share those two little tidbits of what the differences between AWS Educate Cloud Ambassador program, that is for like the education portion of it, and the certificate that you see on the screen right now is, I'm actually a practitioner of using AWS Cloud Services. Yeah, there's a lot of them. So tomorrow, my plan is to share how I passed, the tips and the tricks and the study stuff, and because I had to study a lot. Everything that I did to help myself pass that and get that certification. So, if you have any questions on anything that we have here at Hocking College, whether it be the cybersecurity program, which is Cisco Net Academy, the web and app development and the programming skills that we cover in that, or cloud computing. And even though I've been talking about AWS and Amazon, we're also still doing the pilot project with Google, their competitors, but that's okay. So if you have any questions on any of that, let me know.